Hi guys, I'm back in Guanamate from Florida. I will tell you a story about tresbeaux went fishing and cat caught a red snapper. So enjoy the story about. It's gonna be enjoy the story. Me and Uncle Ben and Mr. Jam both went fishing and we catch nothing. And a few minutes later, I'm feeling tired. I told Uncle Ben how tired I am, and he said, Okay, Trey, go get some rest." So Uncle Ben and Jan both went fishing and still didn't catch nothing. And a few minutes later, I got up and we still went fishing. Uncle Ben said, Hey, Trey got something. I was reeling in really fast, and I became serious. And all of a sudden I screamed like in a Geico commercial. Listen, you will not beat me. I caught a red snapper. He was huge. He was big as my foot. He was big as my leg. He was about a foot tall, about 2 foot tall. He was huge. Uncle Ben told me, "You're a really good fisherman." Well guys, that was it for my story about tresbeaux went fishing and caught a red snapper. So thank you guys for watching. This is tresbeaux D4's All Rising to you guys saying like, subscribe, favorite, peace out, hashtag I caught a red snapper.